What's up, guys? I'm Phil here. I'm with David. We're at the ISS Show 2024 at the Flexfit booth. You want to show us a little bit about what you're working with today?
All right, cool. So this is Flexfit Nu. This is our what we call the epitome of our technology in headwear. What it is, it has patent pending technology on top of relatable technology that helps you perform in your hat.
Okay.
So what it is, the traditional hat has 7 layers in your front panel, which causes a lot of friction when your embroidery pen goes in. But this patent pending technology reduces that into 3 layers, meaning half the friction and almost twice the speed. So if you run a embroidery machine on a traditional hat, I think you average around 650 to 750 RPMs.
Mm-hmm.
We test this as 1,000 without any needle breakage, without anything. So this mechanism here is to gauge or to show you directly how the comparison is. So you poke the hats once each time, and it'll track the pressure that it takes, and it'll show you how many more hats you could have made with the Flexfit Nu.
Okay.
So it should be.
What does it show?
Or I'm not sure if it rolled, but essentially you made 37 hats just for that one touch.
Okay.
And based off of 25 base MSRP, that makes that much more profit just by making more hats. So just by changing your hat, you can make more profit. You can make more hats.
How do they make this hat? Why is it less stitching?
So it's a completely different way of bonding the panel.
Okay.
So that's the patent part of it. I can't really go into too much detail of it. But traditional ways had layer over layer over layer curled. This one only has butted up layers that really reduce the necessity of layers with bonding inside. So if you look at the hat, it's not just the layers that are thin, there's no stitching.
Oh, okay.
So without the stitching, without the layers, the embroidery pen goes over smooth, no hassle, and designed as you intended to.
Let me take a look at this.
Sure.
Have you guys tried any transfers or anything like that on top of this? Because this seems like a very low stitch and it actually might go over it.
Transfers, I don't have right now, but we made this to be the Decorators hat.
Okay.
So it's primed to be whatever you need to be. Whenever you're trying to design something, brand something, we say brand new, brand better.
Now this technology, is it just on this SKU or is it all the way around?
As of right now, this is exclusive to Flexfit Nu, but we are trying to expand that to different SKUs or different styles. Next year, we're trying to expand the active guard portion of it to more styles, hopefully all styles. So we have more benefits to everybody.
Okay. This line, what's the model number on this?
This is Flexfit Nu 6100. This comes with small, medium, large, X large, and also an adjustable, which is called 6110.
How many colors does this come with?
5 and 4, I think.
Okay. And where can they order this?
Flexfit.com or your distributor, your favorite distributor.
Sounds good. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you for coming by.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, you did good.